Hello everyone, here's another strategy using line charts in financial markets. In this case, we're going to use the line chart again. We deactivate by clicking here. Alright, that's simple. We're going to use the Keltner indicator. Settings for that. We're gonna use that. Okay? Keltner channel. It's normal for you. So 50, 10, and 1. Alright? And that's sort of the colors. That's up to you if you want to use the same or not. Alright. Okay. I'm on this one middle added at the bottom because the line chart is blue. Well, just to appear in the middle of that. I have to look at the structure. Is it sad? Not 10 m, 30 m. This is giving me a better way to see the chart. I was going to try to enter below the channel, and if the channel is gold, if the price reject the channel, I enter on the downside. Look closer at the structure we're going to make support and resistance. Well, I'm looking for the pair for the pace as much as possible. When I have an entry, I've taken to explain the entry that occurs. Enough answers happen here. This is all for explanation. The idea of the channel is that you enter the price projects low average, not upper average. Okay? Look at this right here. We see that stuff in here. There are support and didn't pass. It pass and look, this is going to break. All right. Okay, I was going up. What does the price do right here, guys? Okay, but what is this for? I'm going to use 20 to 30. That's the same for 2 minutes away to see this does. Let's see the price is falling. I'm going to short this and the pair. And look at this, guys. The first entry for us. Okay, sell button red one. Just let me adjust this. All right. Okay. We can see one. What is that? The price is below the average. It's not that there's support, but remember that the macro trend is bearish and the raw entries go down. The third gives me a clear view that see the price is not past the average is average. Well, as close below is very strong movement, and that is why its trend is down with a payout of 6.3. That's not good, but it's okay. Yeah, but it's worked for me because I'm looking for answers to give me the answer your chair to show you how to do that. It's slow, yes, but it's worked for me in 5 seconds. Okay, that is pretty good. It's slow, but let's wait for that. I have the first one here. That's look like 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. We got our first one, and 47 guys on our first entry of profits, and let's use on waiting for the next one. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And you can identify whether the price is above the channel. I enter the upside. If this is below, I enter to the downside. That's simple. Of course, looking at the structure, remember that financial markets look at the structure as price action. The payout went down a lot further, so I'm not going to enter the pair. Look for another pair and have the entry. Right? Take for an explanation it. Let's try this one. Say that GPY. We got the buy button because this just exceeded the limit on that. All right, it's simple. You can see that. All right. I don't know the direction of the movement. For now, I see the price is staying around here. So mark support and resistance zone, and from there it went up. Why does it break the zone? It does break the zone. The price won't and go up. Just down as an uptrend. That's the criteria. I hope you more or less remember the coordinates of line charts, which is more or less like this. I'm waiting for the close more than last to wait for confirmation, because what is happening if you go around here, then it's drop sharply as the rejection. So you have to be patient, and the price action is clear. I have to be very patient. Well, look based on the position of this. All right, is that we need to pay attention. All right. We got the highest point. That is just first this. Maybe we got this, right? And look at that, guys. We got this again. Or second win for that. and that is very good to win again under 1 minute with that, and that's just increased our amounts to 88. I make other videos of this chart line and the financial markets with indicator because some people in comments I have said that you understand it very well. They tell me what they understand it's very on this. Understand that the price is doing, the line chart is not used so much, and the binaries I can be very, very good because it's give me the very clear structure. They help me to define support and resistance. Remember to use that. Remember that support resistance is not line. It's a zone. A biter is set for you. Resistance zone and support zone. Okay. The white dot is between the rise. The price is above the channel. It says break well support halfway, and there is in up here. We'll have to be careful. Although it could rise like this is due to vacuum and other factors, but I hope not the delivery point is close to the average. Okay, I already have another win in position. I can click make some wins here, but we need to wait. That's all the financial markets make. Section can click make some wins here. Doing good analysis in there. No one is making entry of that. We got this on the BP USD and use again in the uptrend. Just trace the resistance line. You should see that. Okay, that's very common. All right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
That's not a good one, but let's make this. Okay, the rejection zone could be this one. If it doesn't pass there, the price would fall as a rejection. But that is okay. Let's see how the emitter looks like. Okay, that's pretty good for us now. And the asset trend is bullish after the ball is falling and not enter here. No, should I wait for a correction? Yes, I'm waiting for this. Start forming kind of a range of consolidation structure that can follow the trend. Because remember, that when it's falling, you have to wait for confirmation. Couldn't enter that it's bounce right away, you lose. All right, look at the structure. And we got to win on the last one. $167, and it would be it. The strategy is simple, clear. It's because of the analysis you say that. If I enter the point and various telling you going up, you'll have to win. If you make it wrong analysis, you lose. And I don't apply Martin Gay, but the financial markets is simple because when the financial markets, what it do is then find the zone. When well, it's said before, many people have like the types of the strategies, and when doing the financial market strategy with line traffic with indicators. And here I use another indicator called Keltner Channel. Leave your comments on this video. Let us know if you think about it. It's another video. See you in the live session then on this YouTube channel, and have a good day, guys. Have a good one. See you. Bye bye.